Blow, blow, thou winter wind. Blow, blow, thou winter wind. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Heigh-ho, sing. Heigh-ho, unto the green holy. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then heigh-ho, the holy. This life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that does not bite so high, as benefits forgot, though the water's wasp. Thy sting is not so sharp, as a friend remembered not. Heigh-ho, sing. Heigh-ho, unto the green holy. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then heigh-ho, the holy. This life is most jolly. By William Shakespeare. In the next poem, we look at William Shakespeare's poem Bridal Song. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until I see you again, bye for now.